Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Quick Review and Unboxing. Today I'll talk about the 1:48 scale MiG-21MF Profipack kit from Eduard. Let's see what's inside. The kit includes 399 plastic pieces. The surface detailing is very good. It includes lots of panel line detailing and rivets. Parts of the cockpit, wheel wells and the jet exhaust is special because it's molded to perfection. In fact, every kit part is perfectly molded. And that's the reason the kit is a little bit complicated to build. For instance, only the cockpit includes about 60 pieces. The front and main wheel wells with the landing gear 64 pieces and the jet exhaust 13 pieces. The clear parts are one of the best I ever worked with. They are very clean, have no scratches and fit perfectly. The Profipack kits include masked and colored foliage details for the cockpit, landing gear, antennas and sensors. As usual for Eduard, the decal sheets are very big. There are two of them. One includes insignias and tactical numbers, and the second technical stencils. The instruction manual is very helpful. There are options to build the model in several ways. You can choose to build the model out of the box, use photo edge details, open or close the cockpit canopy, extend air brakes or extend landing flaps. The color guide includes 6 machines: a Egyptian and a Czechoslovak MiG from the 80s, a Slovak MiG nicknamed Milka, a Polish MiG from the early 2000s, and a Soviet and East German MiG from the early 90s. Each machine has its own brief history written on the top of the manual. The manufacturer recommends shades of Gunze Sanyo acrylic paints Mr. Hobby Color Series C and H. Okay, that's enough for today. More information about the kit I will discuss in the actual build. Until then, stay awesome and keep modeling.